I'm Pat, and this is my wife Susan, and this is our Roadtrek, and we've been motoring around for a few years.
Hi, my name's Jean Koopman. This is our 2017 CS Adventurous van, Morrison.
I'm Gord, and I have a 2018 Roadtrek Simplicity.
Hey, I'm Leslie Pettigrew. I have a Zion.
We have the convection microwave, and so we make sliders a lot. Reuben sliders, Italian sandwich sliders, breakfast sliders, and I've made cakes, cookies, all kinds of stuff in there.
And it shows.
Yeah.
I love to use our convection microwave. I love to bake homemade pizza. That's my favorite thing to make in our Roadtrek.
Anything that'll be microwavable. I'm a lazy camper. The microwave feature is number one for me.
It can be anything. Like, I mean, we've had, stews, like lamb stew. We've had, depending on the weather. During the summer, it's more like chicken breasts or, stuff like that, yeah.
Bring lots of treats. And we try to keep her like in her usual environment. That's why we have that bed that we made. We built up an area so that she's sitting up almost even with us. And
when we're traveling?
Yeah, when we're traveling. And then we harness her to the emergency brake. So if we have to slam on our brakes, it goes,
Yeah, be prepared to share your bed.
Actually, you just be aware that this has the echo track, so the air conditioning would come on if I set it. So I can leave. I've just never done it because I don't like to leave her. So I always plan where I can go with her. I bought a baby monitor, to use, so I was able to keep an eye on her that way, but but usually she's with me.
Alaska, by far. Yeah, it's an amazing place.
And well, we were to Nova Scotia a few weeks ago, and that was amazing, but we have a huge North American road trip planned this fall, and I'm sure there'll be many favorites coming up.
Basically, mostly just Ontario parks, and some of the conservation parks. I've taken it down to New York State, the Finger Lakes area, but usually I just like parks.
It's a wonderful vehicle to drive around.
I do love the Roadtrek.